Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models. My name is Floyd Waldron and welcome to this inbox review. We're going to be taking a look at the long anticipated AH-64 Apache Longbow. It's in 1/35 scale and it's by Mengs Models. Now Takom, they also released one earlier this year, and we're going to sort of compare them a little bit. But yes, this kit is going to cost you £85, which is £15 cheaper than Takom, by the way, and it's a brand new tool, just released, coming in December 2023. So let's open it up and take a look. So getting started with this kit, the surface detail is absolutely sublime. Lovely raised rivets all over, recessed panel lines, recessed rivets, very fine, very crisp. You know, even the 90-degree angles, it doesn't fade. As you could see, you know, so nice, so crisp. Even, you know, engine areas, you've got sort of like really nice raised rivets. Admittedly, Takom is maybe a bit finer, I would say. The cockpit area, again, lovely detail, pretty much identical to Takom. You know, really fine, really pops out, really well detailed. For 1/35 scale, it's going to look amazing. And those M4s just set off that nice little bit of extra detail in the cockpit. Maintenance bays, we have lovely detail, buttons, raised areas, even the hosing, which kind of gives you that bit of extra difference over the Takom. Canopy is really crystal clear, no problems there. Lovely weapons to go with this, all the weapons you need to build it as well, rockets, hellfire, even some AA going on as well. Also, the surface detail is just like the rest of the kit as well. Beautiful surface detail. Now, there is a bit of a point in the engine section. There are some ejector pin marks. However, those are the only ones I could see in nasty places. You get a tiny bit of photo etch with this, maybe a bit of a gimmick, but you do get a little bit. But you also get canopy masks, which is nice. Now the decals, really fine. You can really sort of read some of the smaller print. Great colour in registry. Should have no problems with them. Now the instructions, well, you do get like a description that comes in some fancy paper, which is maybe a bit overkill. But the instructions are kind of small, but actually it will get you there. These instructions are way better than Takom. Everything's nicely coloured. You've got colour callouts for everything. It shows you where the decals are, right? You're pretty much going to have no problems there. Now the maintenance bay, you can have open and closed. You can have your engine bay open or closed. Great options with this. Canopy open or closed. Again, I know I keep mentioning it, but you get that cool little bit of M4 in the cockpit as well. Your nose camera can be positioned. Your rear stabilizers, they can be positioned as well. So lots of movement going on with this kit. All the weapons that you could possibly want for it as well. And you can have your propellers in the open or closed position, as well as you get that kind of little stand thing that holds them in place. So a little bit of a final conclusion. Looks amazing. You're going to be happy with this kit no matter what. Great surface detail, loads and loads of details, lovely cockpit, engine, you name it, it's got it. Lovely little M4s, all the weapons you need, really nice shiny glossy canopy. Yes, there was an ejector pin marks in that engine area, but I didn't really see any kind of real nasty ejector pin marks or nasty flash or warping or anything like that. Really gorgeous kit. Now compared to the Takom, which is probably like the question you're asking here, is sort of like, yes, it's £85, but which one is best? You know, they are very similar. It's strange how much they go together, kind of the same. The cockpit almost looked identical how it went together, but as a few pointers on which is better or differences between them, really Big point is the Ming model's instructions are way better. The Takom surface detail does seem a little bit finer and crisper over the Ming one, right, but it's only a bit. They're both fantastic surface details. Takom does have a load more photo etch over the Ming kit, right. They both look like they're going to go together the same, but there is a lot of those little details that come with the Ming that just seems a bit nicer, like the hosing in those kind of maintenance bays, whereas Takom doesn't. There is those few kind of difference which does, I think, make Takom Ming, getting the names mixed up here, but I do think Ming is maybe a little bit better, and because it's a bit cheaper, probably the one to go for. Wish I kind of built that one over the Takom, but at the same time they're so close. The Takom is still damn good, even though I'd prefer the Ming. I mean, they're so close, you can't go wrong with either of them, but yes, I would prefer building the Ming one. So yes, definitely a big thumbs up. Definitely well worth it. Hopefully you've enjoyed this. Hopefully you've made up your mind on which one to buy, or whether to buy an Apache or not. But yeah, they are damn good kits. So as always, until next time, my name's Bob Waldron, this is Genesis Models. I'll catch you later.